1037 Mount Werner Circle. There was a stoppage here. It was found out by Josh that works at Leo's that the line was full of rocks. So we excavated on Saturday. Got as many rocks out as we could. They were from right here on. We pulled all the rocks out. A little bit of an offset there, no big deal. Want to make sure that the line is clear and free of debris and rocks. And here we are at the city tap. We do see at the tap there is a little bit of a crack in the pipe, the bottom right hand side. It's not an issue at the moment, but someday it could become an issue. You can see here it appears to be another really small crack in this piece of clay tile that starts up at the left hand side after the joint here. Not an issue at the moment. There's a crack. We'll see a small root intrusion to our left as we come right there. Minor offset, and then we come back to where we tied on with PVC.